Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start next exercise of chapter number 17, that is construction of quadrilaterals. So before this we have completed our first exercise, that is 17.1, and today we are going to start our next exercise 17.2. So in this exercise we have to do all the questions in your notebook. Now see question number 1. So here in question number 1 we have construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB equals to 5.2 centimeter, BC equals to 4.7 centimeter, and AC equals to 7.6 centimeter. So in this we have to complete it. So see step number 1. In first step, draw a line AB equals to 5.2 centimeter. So first we will draw this line AB equals to 5.2 centimeter. Then in second step, draw an arc of 4.7 centimeter from point B. So from point B we will cut an arc of 4.7 centimeter. Then step 3, here from A point radius of 7.6 centimeter, cut the arc draw in step number 2. So here in step 2, which point we have drawn here 4.7. So from this point A we have to cut another arc of 7.6 centimeter. Then we have to join this BC and AC. Now after joining this BC and AC, then next step, draw another arc from A with 4.7 centimeter as radius. Now from this point A, again we have to cut an arc of 4.7 centimeter. Then from point B we have to cut another arc 4.6 centimeter, that is 7.6 centimeter. Then finally we have to join BD and AD. So joining these two lines, now we can complete this parallelogram. So in this way we can complete this parallelogram. So here it is parallelogram, because here you can see this opposite side AD is equals to CD. Here AD side AD is equals to BC, and here also AC is equals to BD. So in this way we can say that these two opposite sides are equal. So in this way we can complete this parallelogram. Now after this, see next question. So in next question, question number 2, here we have given construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB equals to 4.3 centimeter, ED equals to 4 centimeter, and BD equals to 6.8 centimeter. Now in solution, given parallelogram ABCD can be drawn by the following step. So this we can draw with the help of following step. So in step number 1, draw a line AB equals to 4.3 centimeter. So first of all we will draw this line, that is 4.3 centimeter. Then in step 2, draw an arc of 6.8 centimeter from point B. So from point B we will cut an arc of 6.8 centimeter. Then from A take radius of 4 centimeter. Then from this point A we will take a radius of 4 centimeter with the help of compass and pencil. Then we have to cut at 4 centimeter. Now join AD and BD. So by joining AD and BD, again draw another arc from point B with radius 4 centimeter. So we can join here. Now again from point B we have to cut another arc, that is 4 centimeter. Then from point A we have to cut another arc, that is 6.8 centimeter. Then we have to join these lines also. So in this way we can complete this parallelogram ABCD. So this parallelogram ABCD will also constructed in this way. Now after this, see next question. In question number 3 we have given construct a parallelogram PQRS in which QR equal to 6 centimeter, PQ equals to 4 centimeter, and angle PQR equal to 60 degree. So in this solution, the given parallelogram ABCD can be drawn with the following steps. So in step number 1, First, draw a line QR equal to 6 centimeter. So first of all we have to draw a line QR equals to 6 centimeter. Then at Q, draw angle RQX equals to 60 degrees. So this angle we have to draw 60 degrees. So you can draw this angle with the help of your compass or protractor, and then draw this line, that is QX. So here angle RQX will be equal to 60 degree. Now next step, cut PQ equal to 4 centimeter. Then from point Q cut a point P, that is equals to 4 centimeter. Then draw another arc from P 6 centimeter. Then from here P, from point P we have to cut another arc of 6 centimeter. From this we can cut an arc of here 6 centimeter. Then from point R, take 4 centimeter and cut the arc drawn in step 4 and point of intersection S. So here point of intersection S, from R we will cut an arc of 4 centimeter. Then this RS will be joined and QS will be joined, and we can also join this PR. So in this way we can complete this parallelogram PQRS. So in this way PQRS will also be constructed. Now after this, see next question. So in question number 4, here we have construct a parallelogram ABCD in which BC equals to 5 centimeter, angle BCD equals to 120 degree and CD equals to 4.8 centimeter. Now solution. So here the given parallelogram ABCD can be drawn by the following step. So in first step, draw a line BC equals to 5 centimeter. So first of all we will draw this line BC, that will be equals to 5 centimeter. Then this angle C, here we have to draw 120 degree angle. You can draw this angle with the help of your compass or protractor. Now in step number 3, cut CD equals to 4.8 centimeter. Then from point C we have to cut, here from point C we have to cut an arc of 4.8 centimeter. Then we have to cut another arc, then draw another arc B with 4.8 centimeter. From point B also we have to cut another arc, that is 4.8 centimeter. After this, from D take 5 centimeter. Then from point D, here we have to take a 5 centimeter radius and we have to cut at point A. Then AD will be joined and AB will be joined. So in this way we can join all these lines. So in this way parallelogram ABCD will be formed. So here you have to complete this parallelogram ABCD also. Now after this, see next question. So in question number 8 we have construct a rectangle ABCD whose adjacent sides are 11 centimeter and 8.5 centimeter. So in solution, the given rectangle ABCD can be drawn by the following steps. So step number 1, draw a line AB equal to 11 centimeter. So this line AB is 11 centimeter. Now draw BE perpendicular to AB. So here we have to draw BE perpendicular to AB, that means here we have to draw a 90 degree angle. Now after this with 8.5 centimeter from B, draw an arc cutting BE at C. Then from point B we have to cut an arc of 8.5 centimeter. So at point C, and name it as point C. So this will be point C. Now next step, with 8.5 centimeter from A, draw an arc. So from A we have to cut an arc 8.5 centimeter at D, and from point C we have to cut an arc of 11 centimeter. Now we can join these lines. So by joining these lines, this ABCD will be completed, and this ABCD will be a rectangle. So in this way we can complete this rectangle. Now after this we have to do all the remaining question of this exercise as homework. So in this way we have completed this chapter. So all of you, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.